XRP, we start with daily chart, and as you can see, first of all, overall market the way they are moving is similar as what we explained based on for the Bitcoin chart. We will have here as well, right? The reason we can look for the trade, and we can look at this one as expanding flat. Anyway, now we see the price 1.97 is working as a support, and if the price could break 1.97, then from there we can look so for 1.47, somewhere around 1.4. And this is how we can expect with the breakout of 1.97. That's why if anyone wants to look for trade, they have to be quite careful, and they should know where the stop loss should be. Okay, but it depends on the strategy that they're using. Anyway, based on daily chart, we have a divergence, and even based on lower time frame, that means if we get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we will get it. All right. Even we can expect based on lower time frame, the price will retest 1.97 or even break 1.97. Okay, that's mean uh, if we get any opportunity for buy from here based on lower time frame, if this is not reversing, then we should know how to manage it, because we can expect the price consolidate here, even break 1.97 before we look for the reversal. To make it very simple, with the breakout of 1.97, we can look for 1.47. And at this point, since we're looking for the reversal, any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take it. The one things I need to highlight here, if we get any opportunity for buy from here, where the stop loss should be. First, it depends on the strategy these traders are using. But if they are looking for trade, either from here or even we get the price retest 1.97, and their target is to break the all-time high, then their stop loss should be somewhere below 1.65 or 1.47. For me, I prefer my stop loss be below 1.47. For the trade, I'm expecting to see the breakout of the all-time high. Okay, because sometimes the price can drop sharply as a shadow and reverse, similar to what we have here. That's why we have this kind of the move for the XRP many times. That's why if you want to look for buy with expectation to see the breakout of the all-time high, this for me I prefer my stop loss be somewhere below 1.47, somewhere around 1.4 and even 1.3. All right, but now we don't see any trade setup based on daily chart, but we are looking for the reversal. And as I explained, we can expect the price consolidate here for longer time before we get the reversal. And if we move to lower time frame, and even based on lower time frame, we have the divergence. This is what we get. Now the question is whether this is the start of the uptrend, or we can expect this one the price retest before we look for the reversal or even break. Then at this point, I don't see any trade setup. Okay, but we're looking at this one. Then how we can look for trade, whether we should take the trade for buy from here or we wait for the next drop, right? But if we get the next drop, for sure it can give us better confirmation, but we don't need to wait for that. Then we're looking at this one first. Whoever get the trade for buy from here, move their stop loss to break even if they can. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put our entry above the top. All right, and if the price continues a corrective move following by divergence, then they shouldn't take the trade, or they should take out the trade, even if even if the price tag their trade. Okay, I mean they enter the trade. Then how to look for trade at this point? The only option is to put our entry above here, a bit higher. But what we want a price sharply tag, break, and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving and following, we see we have a divergence within the first hour, we should take out the trade, or maximum second hours. We shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours if it doesn't move in our direction. And even if the price continues a corrective tag, we should take out the trade. That's why I mentioned if anyone wants to look for a trade, they should put above 1.27 or somewhere around 2.27 or somewhere around 2.3. All right, because if they put exactly at this top, the price simply can tag and drop. All right, then anyone wants to look for buy from here, this is the only option, and they should know how to manage it, because what we will see here is the divergence, but it doesn't mean we cannot get the trade. The only thing is how to manage it. Okay, then whether the reversal is start from here or we get the next drop, we cannot confirm. The only thing is we try to look for trade. If it doesn't move in our direction, we should take out the trade. Similar to whoever get the trade for buy from here, at least move their stop loss to break in if they can. If not, then if the price tag following by the divergence, they should take out the trade. The best thing is move their stop loss to break even. If there is a continuation, they are in the trade. If not, at least they are safe. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.